Hey friends, it's Anisha. Welcome back. And today I am sharing with you how I made this very easy DIY outdoor welcome sign. This is video number 2 of my DIY outdoor decor. These items, again, were featured in my porch makeover video, and I am sharing how I made this nice vertical hello sign that was featured in that video, as well as a horizontal sign that I created to put on my deck. So for this project, I started out with just a simple piece of 1x6 lumber. I cut that down to 48 inches. You can pick the height that you would like for your sign. I also cut 2 1x4 pieces to 5 inches just to kind of decorate the top and bottom of the board a little more. So all I'm doing is adding some glue to the 1x4 pieces, and I'm going to attach those to the board with a couple nails. And now that I have the bottom 1x4 secured, I'm just gonna attach the top one the same way with just a little bit of glue and a couple of nails. And that is it. It is that simple. Just a couple boards and you have yourself a outdoor sign. Now it is time for paint. You know me, I'm going with spray paint, but you can stain it or use whatever color paint that you would like. I opted for black just because I like my neutrals. So here I'm just giving it a couple of coats of spray paint, and then I'm going to leave that to dry and get my decal ready. Now to decorate the front of my sign, I am going to create a decal with my Cricut maker. If you don't have a Cricut machine, you can get a stencil from your local craft store or just hand write something on and paint it yourself, and it'll look just as pretty. That is it. It's that simple. Just a couple boards, some paint, and letters of your choice, and you have yourself a very nice custom outdoor welcome sign. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it fun. There's one more coming up, that is the DIY plant stand. Be on the lookout for that. If you are new to my channel, I hope you enjoyed this enough to subscribe to my channel before leaving. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.